Guys, may gagawin tayong TikTok. Kala niya sanay na siya mag-swimming, pero naka-life vest siya. Yeah! Pero bigyan na natin sa kanya yung fantasy na yun. You don't have to close your eyes. You're wearing goggles. Hi! Ay, relax, relax, relax. It's Bullseye, remember? Happy kid. Uy, 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 uy. Para saan kaya yung goggles niya? Hindi naman ginagamit. Oh my God! We are ready to go.
They have so many of us with a bubbly.
Want to be a princess today. Best friend, Ariel, Tiana. There's more there. More we have Cinderella, Aurora, Jasmine, Snow White, Rapunzel, and Elsa. Which one do you like? Take your time.
Parang yan yung pink kasi.
Aurora. Please come this way. I show you the
Wow. Her?
Excuse me, no videos, please. She's gonna change.
Ah, sorry. Taking a video.
That is taking a video.
Okay, you're wearing dress naman. It's okay.
Wow, it's so nice.
Can I see? Wow, 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 wow.
Look here, look here, look here.
Look at Daddy.
Look here. Wow. Wow, so nice. Ganda bagay sa kanya yung pink. Hala.
Oh, your shoes pala.
Okay. And princess, if you like.
How about this one?
Okay, I like it.
Oh,
Very good.
okay.
Okay.
So this is gonna be the stardust we have, okay, which I'm gonna apply on a beautiful princess. See? For your color for your eyes, okay? Which color for your eyes you would like to? From here? Okay, close your eyes. Beepity, babbity, a princess I make you. May your all dreams and wishes come true. Beepity, babbity, boo! Beepity, babbity, boo! So this is gonna be from this beautiful princess from
Wow.
and then new we have this okay princess now
Look.
I'm going to reveal your new look. Princess Aurora, see it is princess twin. Thank you so much. Ay, thank you Athena. Oh wow, that's my girl. Wow! Another one. Sleeping. Open your eyes, baby. Smile. Open your eyes. There. Then smile. Camera. You want the heart? Okay, she'll do a heart.
Okay, my princess.
Wow. So beautiful here.
Mommy, you came back. What's your hope? What for him will be destroyed?
I've got your back, chosen one. We'll save the world.
And
hindi nakaka-princess kainin.
Pang ano to eh.
Guys, ang galing. You can wash your hands here. I'm washing my hands. Look, I'm washing my hands.
How about you?
Wanna try? See? Galing. Automatic hand wash. Stitch! Stitch! Stitch!
Wow! Thanks for joining us today. Those dancers. Oh yeah. Hi, Stitch. Wife. Oh, there's a little Stitch over there. Wow, that's so cool. Stir, stir,
Thanks.
stir, stir, stir up high, stir down low. Let's go.
Faster, faster, Tina.
26. Okay, Mickey.
Mix it. Let's mix it together. Yeah, don't worry.
Keep that stir for me. Because down and raise your.
We can do both. It'll be fun.
Otherwise, I'm gonna have to dazzle you as well.
Wow. Thank you, Alexa. Oh my gosh. May sarili siyang BBD, Babidi boutique na experience. Tingnan niyo naman ginawa sa hair ko. Talagang pang prinsesa. Grabe. Tapos ganito pa yung music. I feel like a princess. Okay, so sa mga magde-Disney cruise, alam niyo na kung gusto niyo nang magpaayos ng hair. Meron tayo for adults. The sashimi is here.
I like to eat the sashimi.
You're not allowed to eat this. This is not for kids. Ang sarap ng feels dito, guys. Imagine mo nag-salmon sashimi ka sa may Discovery Reef. Okay guys, so pupunta na kami ngayon sa aming dinner. Ang saya kasi rotational dining talaga yung ginagawa namin dito sa Disney Cruise.
Hi guys,
Every
we're
night.
going to eat.
Yes. Every night, iba't ibang restaurant yung pinapatry
Hi,
nila
guys,
sa amin
we're
para
going
matry
to
namin
eat.
yung mga
Hi.
iba't ibang experience.
Hi guys, today we're going to eat. Yay.
We're here again sa Navigators Club.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Hi! Hello again!
One.
Welcome to Navigators. Thank you.
Beautiful today.
Yeah.
I also love your crown.
Let me ask a question. Do you have a friend named Joe Rodriguez?
Jill, yes!
Yes. Gio, glad to meet you.
Oh my god!
Yeah, he told me that you guys are here, so.
Oh yeah! So roasted turkey.
Yeah.
Everyone, we're glad we made it and we conquered the reef. My heart's forever sharing all the joys.
Celebrate the splendor.
The food and the noise.
hello everyone. Oh gosh,
Papa Jesus, mommy, you're not praying.
Okay, sorry. Look, it's Mickey! Hi, Mickey! Aww! Yay! Bye! La, 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 la. Yay!
How about Miss? Give Miss Daisy a twirl.
Twirl, twirl! Yay! We're gonna go! Hi! Oh!
Hug.
There you go! Wow! Molten cake. So good, guys.
Magic.
Something new adventures always sing. There's something for everyone.
Go, Tina! Go, 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 go!
All right, buddy navigators, turn those ships wheel.
Tina! to? Peacock? Peacock ba to? Ay, ano to? Clam? Di ko alam. So, bawat balik namin, guys, pa iba-iba yung design. What is that?
What is that?
What's that?
I don't know.
I don't know also. Good morning, guys! So, it's our last day here sa Disney Cruise. Pag dito pala sa Disney Cruise, guys, required mag-download ng app nila. So, doon mo makikita lahat ng mga plans mo for the day. Lagpas tayo. So, nakita ko, actually, overlook ko, meron palang brunch na ni-reserve for me. Actually, pwede +1, pero ako na lang yung tumuloy. Kasi Athena, swimming sila ni Yaya. Si Ver nasa gym. Tayo na lang ang pupunta sa brunch. Buti nga hindi siya nagsabay ng schedule ko na hair appointment. 11 a.m. naman yun. Kaya hindi pa ayos yung buhok natin. Buti na lang may dala akong sombrero. Ito na yung 11. So, let's go get brunch! Alright. Hi, Cheryl! Alright. Thank you. Thank you, Cheryl.
You're just gonna be by yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Hi, guys. So, tapos na tayo umorder. Nakakatawa kasi dun sa baba, sa reservation, yung reservation pala na ginawa ng Disney team. Sa aming dalawa ni Vern, sabi dun sa baba, reservation po for Miss Riva and Sir Vern. Sabi ko, ay, hindi, ako lang po, sabi ko. So, hindi ko alam kasi ang nakalagay dito sa app ko, isa lang yung guest. Tapos, nakalagay pala dito sa kanila, para sa aming dalawa ni Vern yung brunch na to. Baka Team Rivers sila. So, thank you. Ang bango, guys. Sobrang bango. Nakakatawa. Si Athena kasi, guys, nasa pinakataas siya. Kasi nga naghahanap siya ng pizza. Sabi niya mag-swimming siya tsaka pizza. Send sa akin si Danica. Andiyan yung anak ko, katabi niya. May nawawalang bata. Ayan o, send siya ng picture. Sabi niya siya daw muna ang nanay niya. Kita niya, parang may nawawalang bata sa taas. Ilang araw na yan nagpipizza at nag-ice cream. Paulit-ulit. May sumunod, nakarinig na ang steak. Anong oras pa lang? 10 a.m. Steak again. We are going to a tea party. We're here, Hollywood Spotlight Club. There.
Fantastic.
Etty! Etty!
Two hands, two hands. Wow.
What's yours?
It's okay. You go first.
Lovely to see you both. You too. Princess Cinderella, we're so glad you could find time on your royal calendar.
Why wouldn't miss a gathering of the Royal Society of Friendship and Tea?
She wants adventure in the mirror. Princess on the front and finish more there later.
Okay.
Hi there, Princess Cinderella, would you mind taking a walk around the room and saying hello to everyone? Absolutely.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Guys, ito yung roller coaster sa taas ko. Grabe, hindi ko pa siya nasasakyan. Hindi ko siya nasasaktuhan na open. Parang ngayon, hindi na naman open kasi wala akong nakikitang sumasakay. Pero hindi ko pa siya natatry. I hope sa mga magsisale, matry nyo to. Kasi isa dito sa babalikan ko, itong mga rides nila at saka roller coaster. Ito guys, yung part ng mga rides. Sarado. Yun yung gusto kong sakyan na roller coaster. Matry ko man lang. Pero ayan, sarado na naman siya. Tina. What's that face? Grabe guys, sobrang ganda ng Remember show. Wag na wag niyo yun i-miss. Totoo, naiyak talaga ako, promise. Ganun siya kaganda. Ang ganda niya. Nakakatawa pa kay Athena after ng show. Dumiretso siya dun sa bag niya. Tapos kumuha siya ng tissue. Pinunasan niya yung luha ko. Sobrang sweet talaga ng batang. Sobrang observant. Isa yun sa wag na wag niyong mamiss yung Remember na show sa theater. Sobrang ganda. Lalo na kung Disney fan ka. As in, sobrang ano talaga siya. May mahihit siya na soft spot sa'yo. Ito na naman tayo sa playground. Only playground for Madam. Only pizza. Only ice cream. Okay, now we're gonna watch the Avengers Assemble.
Oh, thank you.
I don't know who Maleficent is, but he sounds like my kind of guy.
Thor, glad you could join us.
Of course. I'm always here when a friend is in need.
I hope you are as troublesome with your predecessor.
Don't worry, kids. Nobody really gets hurt in a Disney show.
Back in Animator's Palette.
Where's the ketchup?
Ketchup again? That's not chicken. That's salmon.
Do they have ketchup here?
For the fries?
Yes.
Okay. Ngayon naman ay turtle? Yes. It's a turtle. So, ito yung ilalagay namin sa bag namin para tomorrow, hindi na kami ma-hassle like mag-disembark tapos ang dami namin bit-bit na luggage. Iiwan mo lang yung luggage mo sa labas ng door tapos sila na maghahatid noon. Sobrang hassle-free talaga ng experience na to. Thank you so much, Disney Cruise. Actually, isa din yan sa iniisip namin na paano kaya yun? Pagka-disembark, sobrang dami mong gamit pero sila magdadala nun sa terminal. Mag-uusap pa tayo guys about sa mga parang things to know before you book it or mga tips, lalo na as a first-timer like me, lahat ng mga natutunan ko. So, ayun, pack na muna tayo ng gamit. Ayun guys, so iniwan na namin yung mga bags namin bago mag-midnight. Iwan lang yun dito sa labas ng room. At dadali na nila yan sa terminal. Guys, ang saya. Sobrang organized na to. Nandiyan na yung mga luggage nyo na iniwan nyo nung midnight. So, hahanapin nyo lang yung character na yun. Let's see if you can find the luggage, okay? Look for the luggage. One. Very good. What's the other one? There. How about daddy's? There. Where's your stroller? There. High five. Okay, you carry it. No, just kidding. Una na. Go. It's okay. Go ahead. Pick any seat. Playground muna while waiting for our flight. Okay guys, so nakauwi na tayo from Disney Cruise at nag-decide ako na lagyan ng outro tong video na to. As a first timer, hindi lang sa Disney Cruise, kahit na anong cruise. Gusto ko lang mag-share ng konting tips or advice. Actually, kulang tong video na to para sa lahat ng mga tips and advice. Pero kung ano lang yung mga naaalala ko as of the moment. Okay, so pag nakabook na kayo, almost everything that you need to know nasa Disney Cruise Navigator app. So make sure to download it. Actually, required din talaga siya. Also, check the list ng mga items items na bawal dalhin. Kahit actually mga inflatables ka is bawal, yung mga floaters, mga certain hairstyling tools, kahit yung iba mga blowers, mga electrical appliances, actually marami pang iba. About the internet, as for us, it's free kasi nga we're part of the preview sailing. Up to 2 devices lang. But you can buy it before going on board. Wait lang, bago ako makalimutan dahil makakalimutan na to. Gusto ko mag-thank you kay Sir Nolan. Grabe yung asikaso niya sa amin sa buong dining experience namin. At sa lahat ng dining experience nyo guys, same lang yung ma-assign sa inyo na server. Yung na-assign sa amin si Sir Leroy from the Philippines at si Ma'am Sherry from China. Actually, sobrang convenient nga na sila ang mag-aasikaso sa'yo bawat dining experience kasi nakikilala na nila yung anak mo. Kung may allergies or hilig yung anak mo, mas madadalian ka sa ganong klaseng setup kasi you don't have to repeat it all over again kapag paiba-iba ka ng server. So, ang smart ng idea na yun, na from start to finish, same lang talaga yung servers nyo. Kasi sa experience namin, like, alam nila na sobrang hilig ni Athena sa strawberry ice cream. So, every time, yun yung i-recommend nila yung strawberry ice cream. Pati yung kay Yaya, alam nila na ang favorite ni Yaya chicken. So, yun ang laging nire-reco sa kanya. So, parang nakikilala ka na nila at mas magiging personalized yung experience mo. So, thank you again, Sir Nolan, Sir Leroy, at Ma'am Sherry. Sobrang na-appreciate ko, lalo na kapag nilalaro nyo si Athena at pinapa-special nyo lalo yung experience nyo sa Disney Cruise. Okay, things I wish I knew as a first-timer. Siguro yung pagde-decorate ng door. Sa sobrang hindi siya nag-research, hindi niya alam ang Disney Cruise tradition na pwede ka mag-decorate ng door. Ano pa ba? Ay, pixie dust! Alam nyo na, as a gift giver, this is something na I would love to do next time. Isa pa pala guys, hindi namin nasulit yung 24-hour na free na room service. Well, actually, hindi naman sobrang daming choices pagdating sa room service, pero hindi pa rin namin siya nasulit, sayang. Tsaka hindi rin namin nakuha yung mga free charms every 10 a.m. Actually, alam ko naman na kasi nasa Navigator app siya, pero hindi ko alam kung bakit. Hindi namin pinuntaan, sayang ang free charms. Isa pa pala, sana nagdala ako ng jacket. I was thinking kasi na mainit, kasi nga summer or cruise ship siya, so sa gitna siya ng dagat. Pag lumabas ako, mainit. Pero most of the time, nasa loob kami. At ang lamig sobra sa loob ng cruise ship, tsaka sa mga restaurants. So wala tayong nadalang jacket. Ang lamig talaga sa loob ng cruise ship. Yun lang naman yung masishare ko kasi actually before booking, makikita nyo na to lahat ng mga tips or advice ko sa site nila or kung saan kayo magbubook. Pero yun guys, dito ko na tatapusin yung vlog. Sobrang na-enjoy ko yung experience na yun. Parang every time na may magtatanong sa akin kung ano yung favorite kong trip, pasok talaga ito sa top 3 ko. Hindi ko alam kung ito ba yung pinaka-okay na line sa Disney Cruise. Kasi hindi ko pa naman natatry yung ibang Disney Cruise. First time ko to. So para sa akin, sobrang nag-enjoy na ako. I'm gonna try my best na sagutin yung mga questions nyo dyan sa comments below. So yun, sana na-enjoy nyo. Thank you guys so much for watching. Wow, ngayon na lang ulit siya mag-outro. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on my social media accounts. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye!